Oh, yeah. Cause we keep on moving, ain't no stopping now. Grinding, moving, ain't no stopping now.
Alright guys, so we're just going to the shops to just get some stuff. You know, you have some shops up the road, they're giving away free stuff. Yeah. So we're gonna go and get some of the free stuff.
Nope.
Huh?
We're not going, go on baby, we're not going for no free stuff here, guys. Don't listen to my wife, she's just trolling right now.
So you don't like free things?
No, sir. I want no free things.
But they might give away free things, Jared.
I want it.
So why you don't want it?
I don't want it, baby girl.
Well, we'll go
We'll
go get some free things. Guys, so we are going to our first store. The weather's nice, don't you think?
Yeah, it's a nice weather. I like the weather. I like the weather. Oh yeah.
Alright, babe, come on.
Come on.
Come.
Go where? The bright. It's almost there.
Alright guys, so this, as I was, babe, you remember I was telling you that they have the free stuff them with them and Come, so we're gonna go guys and get, alright guys, so we're gonna go now and get the free stuff.
Oh, you alone will get free stuff. There's some one on that rubbish bin. Go on. Nah, go on.
Jared, the culture is here that, you know, like the big store guys, him not understand guys. The big stores in England and America, right? They have the bins them and the stuff them are good in bags. So we're gonna go in there and we're gonna get the free stuff them. So we're going dumpster diving, babe.
Brighty, we're going dumpster diving. Got go with you on that. Now gonna dumpster diving.
Jared, come on now and stop your foolishness.
I left at Jamaica for coming so for going a people bin.
Guys, we're going dumpster diving.
Oh, stay in a car now, man.
Jared, come on, take care. Come, we're going dumpster diving. They have nothing.
Bumbo cloud, come now, man.
Jared, come now. Make we go take out your free things. Unlike our Tesco, then we'll have no free food in there and B&M. So that get no free, the free like paint and free things for you all.
Look how me and look on you. Look like I'm hungry.
Jared, come on now.
Yo, pick me from your son. Come down, man.
Jared.
Yo, look up the kid. Come in, baby man.
Babe, come now. Babe.
Things, brother. Come now before people then call police pound. Come.
Jared, see bin them. Come now. Let's just go look and see which free things in there. Come on, Jared.
Brother, stop fuck yourself.
Jared,
oi, Lord, people, why you touch your dirty bin for? Come in, brother. Come.
Babe! So I can't.
Stop it, fuck it. You don't like that prank, yeah? Come in, baby man. I must have to go back up.
Oh gosh! Jared. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go to the next store My husband.
You alone, I got a bumbo clock next door. I'm not going to rubbish. Oh, that one. Come up, make a go test car and leave you ready.
To the next store. Cause my husband has been a little bit weird. I think him have too much pride, guys. He see clean rubbish bin them. We're full of so much stuff. I'm gonna tell him, so come, let us have a look and see what is in there and what free stuff we can get.
Come go with you, brother. Come on, I'll go with you, bro. Give me the phone.
We'll go look and see what they have in their bin. And full the fridge and they cover them.
Our bin full.
So why you have to make it so like that? It's not bin food, it's just food that they threw out that they don't no longer need.
No, man, I don't do that.
Just put on your mask.
And what?
And make we go. Make we go over Aldi. Just throw your mask on. And then Jared is a part of the culture and in foreign.
The brighty, which culture? A Jamaican come forward from, brother, man. Them not a culture.
In foreign, Jared, it's called dumpster diving. And it's the norm, it's okay.
You know,
you're one and say what is one month's loss is our next man's treasure. So just think of it that we're going treasure hunting.
Alright, you know. I like to have that phone there, you know. I'm telling that. Be a fuck,
Babe. Just think of it, yeah, that we're going. You know when you're like a pitney? You know when you're like a pitney? And you say you go treasure hunting like you're one pirate? Yeah, we'll go treasure hunting, yeah? Alright. So we're going to the... No, the both of us, we're going to the next. You have to be watch. And me open the bin and you take out the things then. Babe, me open the bin and you take out the things then. Yeah? I'll open the bin and then you take them out.
Oh, so you want me go in the bin and take out stuff. Oh, God, me I eat that now.
You're not going in the bin. I'm just gonna open it. You're just gonna just look and see where you can find.
Who are going to go look? Not going on a bin, baby girl. No.
You're not going in a bin, George. You just take up, lift out the bag there from.
This is when me I say to you, say no. When I go in a no bin, side and a bin, in front and a bin, no way me not go.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go now to Lidl and we're gonna do some dumpster diving in Lidl because from what I see on YouTube, Lidl have the best bins for go, you know, we have them lots of stuff, so that's where we're gonna go.
Really, they just a little have the best bin for just see like so did that woman look like she sleep on the wrong side, I bet. This morning, gosh, she just get up this morning and talk about bin. From she go watch like a TikTok video. You see a TikTok have influence on people like one look a TikTok video she watch this while I go and decide for going and be a rubbish bin over here. But me not go with her, you know. And she alone I go with her. Tell me that think of that I come a bumbo clock England for the go in a bin. For some I got my yard, brother. Each up in a bin and scene. No, sir. No, my style that. You get me, I say?
Jared, you're too boring. There's free things given away.
Yeah, free things.
Yeah, free things. Yeah, they're free. They are free.
A coupon.
Say the word coupon. They're free things. So let's just go and get it.
Nope.
We have to, when we're in Rome, Jared, you have to do what the Romans do.
Right.
So if the Romans are...
My yard man, brother.
Not when you're in Rome. Not when you're in Rome. When you're home, you're Romans.
Anyway, I'm there, Jamaican.
Well, you're in Rome, so we're gonna do what the Romans do, and we're gonna go dumpster diving, and we're going to enjoy it. And when we're done, now we can spread out it.
Like what? Bumbo cloud you. Some look like a little head or something. Spread out to one.
When we finish the collection for today, we're gonna spread out the things.
And do what with them?
And look at all the stuff them that we get. And then go back
look
on
like
next
this,
day.
Your baby stop act like a madman, man. Stop it, man. You look like half a blood clot with him. You look like something here.